Hey, guess what? Two things actually. I'm bored, but what's new? And two, I dyed my hair this green color literally a few days ago. And I regret it. Let's change my hair again. Since I was a child. It feels almost sinful to say that I don't like a hair color because I'm Stella. I always like my hair color. This time, it's not working. I like the color itself. I just think, you know, compared with the slightly botched roots and the haircut itself, it's giving -10. Also, why do I look like Simon Cowell? Anyways, my motto in life is if you don't like something, change it. Or change your attitude, but I refuse to, so I'm changing it. I have a bit of an unusual video idea for this video that is going to dictate what my end color is going to be. Because I'm gonna dye my hair. Obviously. I get into telling you the theme of this video because it is fun and you should definitely stick around. This video is sponsored by Karma. Karma is an all-in-one shopping assistant that helps you save time and money. I'm gonna get into exactly how it works later in the video, but there is a link for it down below. It is a lifesaver if you're an online shopper like myself. Let's get into the video. Here are the rules of this video. Self-explanatory, but let me waste your time a tiny bit more in the intro before getting to the actual fun part of the video that you are definitely here to see. Tendency of making really long, unnecessary intros. I don't like my hair color, and so I'm going to go ahead and cover it all up, but not with just one color, with 3 different hair colors. Create this sort of a really cool, I don't know, color combination. Single rules that I have is that the 3 colors have to be randomly picked, i.e. I have no idea what the 3 colors are gonna be. They can be 3 completely uncomplimentary hair colors. Depending on what colors I land on, I'm gonna just shove them onto my hair in a random fashion. It's like a solid plan. I have all of these hair colors from Keune that I never tried before, and they range like full rainbow. I had a yellow one somewhere. And I want to pick 3, and I'm gonna try and make it work. Here's my box of hair colors. I'm gonna randomly pick 3 with my eyes closed, and that's it. I'm nervous because if these are uncomplimentary colors or colors that don't really match, then I'm gonna be in just as bad a predicament as I am now. All right. Okay, let's pick this one. I don't know if it's upside down, but I picked this one. This one. I feel that these 2 don't match, but I don't know, I can't tell. And for our 3rd and final color, ooh, what's this? Do I go for this one? I feel this doesn't work. Let's go for this one. Okay, so these are the 3 hair colors that I picked. I'm now gonna remove my makeshift blindfold and see if these would work. These are the 3 hair colors that I ended up choosing whilst with the blindfold. Not gonna lie, first impressions, I'm thinking these 3 colors are not looking complimentary. Red and green always give Christmas. There's this, which is literally just called dark. Let's give this a go. While I prepare the hair dyes, I'm going to explain to you why Karma is an absolute life changer if you are an online shopper. I'm someone that when I see something specific, really random, I obsess over it and I am determined to have it. However, a lot of the things that I end up obsessing over are usually sold out, they're crazy expensive, or it just doesn't make sense to buy it at the time. Karma is a free app and a Chrome extension, very, very easy to install. And there are 4 main principles to it. 1, it automatically finds and applies the best coupons for you at checkout. It'll automatically input every single coupon code that it knows into the coupon code area of the website. And I've saved so much money on it. 2, you can plan and organize your shopping, saving items that you like from thousands of different stores into your shopping lists. That means that anything that you don't yet have a reason to buy, or you're not sure if you'll find a cheaper deal somewhere else, you can just save into one of your shopping lists, and then you can come back to it at a later time to buy it or to compare prices. It gives you real-time price updates on things that you've saved. Very, very important for me because I tend to save very expensive things because I like to imagine that I can buy every single one of them. And while I can't buy all of them, some of them are discounted on the website, and it makes it a lot easier for me to buy. Because if it's on sale, it's a sign from God. God, this is blah. And 4, you earn cash back. Karma gives you cash back on things you buy. Cheap things, you get a certain amount back. But if you buy expensive things, God, I love buying expensive things even though I shouldn't. You get money back. Basically, you cannot lose out with karma. Just you're saving money left, right, and center. To delay putting these on my hair for a time being because I'm absolutely petrified. I'm gonna kill time and show you what I got through karma. From ASOS. This entire haul would have cost me 328 euros, but I only ended up paying 2.99. I don't know if I'm a hat person, but I want to be one. She cute. She's giving space on my chest for jewelry. Bershka, and it was 17 euros. This is my 4th necklace. I think it looked a bit cuter on the model. I don't know if it's working on me. It's very cozy though, very soft. Oh, my favorite one. I love tops that have an intricate something to them, and this thing is filling all the right boxes. I don't remember where it's from though. I bought a full outfit for it. Give me a second. How cute is this? Bucket hat, I love. The shirt, I love. And these palazzo pants are gorgeous. They make me look like I have an ass. ASOS! With karma! Get the Karma Chrome extension. It is incredibly easy to install. You install it, you forget it, and it will automatically pop up anytime you're about to make an online purchase. Save money, you'll get cash back, and you'll get notified if the item you want is back in stock. You can also make your lists. Go crazy shopping! Let's dye my hair with 3 very confusing hair colors. I don't know how intense the black is gonna be, so light protection is a good idea over here. I feel like the red is gonna be my best shot, even though I don't know how it's going to behave on the green. That one is nice on its own. I think I know how I'm gonna do it. I think I figured it out. Kind of looks cool though. I'm going to alternate between these 2 colors on the tips. Everyone else shocked at how clean I am? Like, this is all I have. I'm gonna leave this on for 30-ish minutes. Fingers crossed they show up. Regardless, still pretty happy I managed to come up with something. Build a bit of suspense. You're not gonna know what it's gonna look like because I don't know. Haha! Bam! Did anyone else expect black? Give me a sec, I'm about to cry. I want to style it really quickly. I'm just gonna say this. I have this product that I really want to try. It's by Keune. Once again, it is the Care Lumicoat Luminous Shine Spray Heat Activated Sealer for exceptional hydration and gloss. So it's not applied after you style the hair, it's applied before because it needs heat to actively apply the product. This is the final look. It wasn't black. The dark dye wasn't black. I was so terrified. Red and black and green, very tricky mixture. However, it's not black. It's a dark brown, maybe, and then mixed with the red, it got this gorgeous maroon shade all over. So much better than what we started with. End result, it's kind of interesting. There are these kind of like, I'm not gonna say patches, I'm gonna call them waves of different colors. Like you can see, here is the dark brown, here's the red, red, green, red over here, more green here, more red, dark red. It's fantastic. I personally really like it. I think it is so cool, mismatched and everything, and I like it a lot. And I'm actually looking at it, this isn't black. It looked black in the bowl, it looked black on the brush, and it looked black on my hair, but now that I'm seeing it like this, it's kind of just like a purple. Overall, I think this random choice of colors and the almost certain failure of them resulted in one of the coolest hair colors or hair combos ever. I'm happy. All of the details that went into this video is going to be very kindly left down below, so if you do want to give this a go, they're all going to be linked down below, as well as the thing that I want you to try the most, the Karma Google Chrome extension link. Try it out, give it a whirl. It is going to be your best shopping tool. As always, if you like this video, if you liked me, please give it a thumbs up. I really like seeing you guys giving me the thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. No. No. I told you not to do that. It's not good for dogs.